Do you know? Blue eyes aren't blue because of pigment like brown or green eyes. In fact, blue eyes contain the same dark pigment, melanin, as other eye colors. The blue color actually comes from a phenomenon called structural coloration. This happens when light scatters off microscopic structures in the iris, similar to how the sky appears blue. The shorter blue wavelengths of light scatter more than other colors. And that's what we see. This phenomenon is not unique to human eyes. It also occurs in nature, like in the wings of certain butterflies or the feathers of peacocks. Their vibrant blue isn't due to pigment, but is created by the way light interacts with tiny structures, reflecting only blue light. Interestingly, all blue-eyed people share a common ancestor, who lived around 6,000 to 10,000 years ago, when a genetic mutation caused this light-scattering structure to appear. So, whether it's the blue in your eyes or the blue in a butterfly's wings, it's not pigment that causes the color, it's physics. Pretty fascinating, isn't it?